Hey, hi, this is Hot Chick here, back with another video. In today's video, we are getting into a hair review, okay? Get into this hair. Do you hear me? And I did it all by myself. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Y'all don't understand. During this quarantine, during this whole virus situation, I've been like putting myself to the test of, practicing putting on my own wigs and practicing the hair and how to customize it and all that other stuff. So I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. This video is a review from the company I'm Beauty, y'all. So this hair is from I'm Beauty. I will show you guys how I installed it, how it came, like how the wig looks once it's coming out the package and all of that. I'm gonna show you guys everything and how I put it on and got it together. You feel me? I love this hair. This hair is super soft and it's super beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair just as much as I do, because I really do love this hair, y'all. Get into it. Get into it. But yeah, y'all, so y'all stay tuned. I love you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Keep on watching. Okay, so let's get into the review. This is the bag that the wig came inside of. It's like a silk bag, so you can just reuse it, put your wig back inside of it just to store it once you're finished with the wig. And here is the wig. It comes pretty secure. It comes with a net around it just to keep the curls together, so that's a good thing. Also, here's the lace, a close-up. It has 3 combs, 2 in the middle and 1 in the back. And here's the curl. It's a deep wave curl, you guys, and it's a 22-inch wig, full lace wig. And they also sent me 4 pairs of lashes. This particular lash is the lash that I chose to wear, and you guys will see the finished look at the end of the video. And they sent me 3 other lashes for different occasions, just different styles that, can fit different looks. Okay, so now on to the installation. I'm spraying this Got To Be Spray all over my cap just to keep my cap in place underneath the wig. I feel like that's a very essential step when it comes to wig applying. Now I'm just showing you guys what it looks like straight out the package. I didn't put any makeup on the lace or anything, so I just want to show you guys how the front looks straight out the package on my skin tone. So it's not bad at all, honestly, but I just needed, to put a little makeup on it just to, get it towards my color and get it a little bit more, melted. This curl is super pretty. It's very defined. Of course, at the end, I'm gonna, just zhuzh it out a little bit just so it can be big, because I love big hair, you guys. So I love curly hair and I love when the curl is big. So if you're a true hottie, you know that already. And it comes with the lace in the back, so if you choose to keep the lace, you can definitely glue it back and probably put the hair up if anything. I'm just gonna cut it off and just style it down, but you can definitely put this hair up if needed. Now I am just applying a little bit of foundation onto the lace itself, just so it can blend into my skin tone perfectly. And here's how it looks with the makeup on. It's pretty close, you feel me? It looks pretty good. And the lace is still on there, so I love it already. Now we're just gonna take some Got To Be gel and we're gonna just apply it to our hairline. Of course, you wanna miss your edges. Just put it on like your skin, if anything, and let that dry. And I'm just gonna top it off with the Got To Be spray just to have a little bit more hold. And you just want to use your blow dryer and make sure that it's tacky before you put the lace down. So I'm just putting the lace down now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my rat tail comb and just push it into the gel and make sure that it's secure, okay? You can use your blow dryer just to make sure it's fully dried before you cut the lace off. Now I'm taking some foam and we are gonna go ahead and just make sure all those hairs are back before we tie down our edges. And y'all, this tie really tried to play me, y'all. It really tried it. Oh my God. So now that that's down, we're just gonna keep it on for a couple minutes, and now we're just gonna go ahead and cut this bad boy off. Make sure that the lace is dry once again before cutting. And we're just going ahead and make some slits and get to cutting. And I'm cutting in like a zigzag motion. I'm trying my best to not make it too straight, you know, you just wanna make it more as natural as possible. And this is how the hair looks, y'all. Wow. So far, so good. And now we're gonna take a little bit of makeup. I feel like some areas that need a little bit of touching up, you feel me? Just so it can melt into my skin before I start the baby hairs and all that good jazz. But yes, do y'all see this hairline? Period. And believe it or not, like this is like my first time doing a full lace, like a full fresh lace out the bag on myself. So I'm pretty proud of myself, y'all. I am so proud. So now let's get to the baby hairs. This is the first time creating my own baby hairs on a wig like this. So let's see how it comes out. No, but it came out pretty good. I just used some wrapping foam and this little, what is this? This little brush comb for edges. And we made it work. We made it do what it do. Period. Period. So you can leave it like this. You don't have to style it. This is, I feel like it's a style already, but let me show y'all the finished results, okay? Boom! Oh, who is she? Where did she come from? Oh, she is she and I am she, period. No, but thank you guys for joining me, and I truly love you guys. And check out I'm Beauty. Their wigs are bomb, as you can see. And I will see you guys in my next one. Love ya. Peace out.